I'm staying in your house, serving justice to a man who stole your vibranium and murdered your people. Justice your king couldn't deliver. I don't care that you brought Claw. Only reason I don't kill you when I stand is because I know who you are. Now what do you want? I want the throne. Hey, you, the throne. Y'all sitting up here comfortable. Must feel big. It's about 2 billion people in the world that looks like us. Their lives are a lot harder. Wakanda has the tools to handle it all. And Washington's I lost the vibranium. Your weapons. Our weapons were not being used to wage war on the wild. It is not our way to be judged during an execution of people who are not our own. That's wrong. You didn't want to start back in this country? So it all people, your people. I am not the king of all people. I am king of Wakanda. It is my responsibility to make sure our people are safe, that the vibranium doesn't fall into the hands of a person like you. Son, we have entertained the shelter for too long. Reject his papers. I am requesting ask who I am.
Your ex-student.
Nabi Pabe.
A mercenary who came to kill Mamba. That's who you are.
Apa dia Pabe? Ada tu kamu Pabe di tinggal. Ada tu. Hanya pergi ada waktu.
Thank you, Mama.
Tak hilang.
Oh, berbani. Ini kok tidak.
Goyang.
Apa my daddy was Santa Claus in his chest. You ain't the son of a king, you a son of a murderer. We have to see something. Lies.
60 put tu.
Hey, Auntie. I'm exercising my blood. The challenge for the man of the king and Black Panther. Do not do this, T'Challa. This is summer, Prince. Your boy, he's with you. He's alright. There's no place. The challenge will take weeks to prepare. Weeks? I don't need weeks. The whole country don't gotta be there. I just need help. And somebody to get me out of these chains. What do you do with this? I accept my challenge.
You'll never be T'Challa. You should have just come to the first challenge and gotten it over with.
Betul dulu.
The king denied the strength of the Black Panther stripped away.
Berbeza dia yang bibi.
Where is Agent Ross? I locked him in the office. He's not going anywhere.
This is your last chance.
Cuk ni ke?
Throw down your weapon. You can handle this another way. I'll live my entire life